Free radicals are highly reactive and unstable molecules made naturally by the body. As I said in the last video, they are one of the reasons you age faster. Free radicals are atoms with unstable electrons. An atom is made up of shells which contain electrons. These electrons must be paired to stabilize the atom. But in some atoms, electrons are unpaired and this single electron is present in the outer shell. Hence, it constantly tries to get one electron from other atom or molecule. During this process, electrons are taken out of the other molecules, leaving them damaged and unstable. As this second molecule becomes unstable, it then takes electrons from other molecules, leaving them in the same condition. This process goes on and on, leading to a chain reaction. Even though the free radicals are stabilized in this process, they damage the cells. The chemical reaction of free radical formation takes place in the presence of oxygen, hence it is called oxidative stress. These radicals damage the normal structure of natural biomolecules like DNA, lipids, and proteins. DNA is a sequence of genes formed of proteins which control everything in our body. When the genes are damaged, DNA cannot work properly, hence we get different diseases. Especially when the tumor suppressor gene gets damaged, it cannot remove or repair the damaged cells. Any changes in this gene lead to cancer. When we get older, our body cannot fight back the free radical effect. Damaged cells cannot be repaired and more free radicals are produced. In short, degenerative process start and we age. This leads to many degenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's, cardiovascular disease due to clogged arteries, rheumatoid arthritis, cancer, and age-related vision decline, loss of skin elasticity, wrinkles, graying of hair, hair loss, etc. Free radicals are formed in our body as a byproduct of metabolism. Our body makes them by breaking down the nutrients. So as we age, the risk of getting diseases increase. Toxic substances are another cause of free radicals, such as carcinogens. They include tobacco smoke, UV radiation, asbestos, vinyl chloride, viruses, air pollution, and medical radiation. How can carcinogens cause cancer? Some household things can be carcinogenic. If you are curious about it, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get back to the video. Free radicals are an unavoidable part of life. Free radicals are produced to destroy any viruses, bacteria, or damaged cells in the body. If you want to exercise and build some muscles, free radicals are needed. But exercising regularly can reduce the free radical effect. How we can reduce free radical formation? Its solution is antioxidants. As the name suggests, they prevent oxidation of the other molecules. They donate their electron to the free radicals to make them stable, hence reducing the free radical effect and breaking the damaged chain, most importantly without being a free radical themselves. It is impossible to combat all free radicals with the help of a single antioxidant. Some examples of antioxidants are vitamin C, vitamin E, glutathione, beta-carotene, and phytoestrogens. But you have to be careful while choosing the right source of antioxidants. Some studies have shown that antioxidant supplements are harmful, so never exceed the recommended daily dose. Try to include antioxidant-rich foods. Some of them are berries, citrus fruits, tomatoes, broccoli, spinach, nuts, green tea, and carrots. The soya found in the soya beans and some meat substitutes are high in phytoestrogens. So that's it for this video. Stay healthy and eat healthy. Thank you for watching.